Overseas Pakistanis based in Paris held their first public fundraising program for flood-stricken compatriots back home. Instead of mere announcements, cash 100,000 euros were collected on the spot that would be distributed in Pakistan by Muslim Hands France. Interestingly, earlier organizers' fundraising program and Muslim Hands France had agreed that if the community collects 100,000 euros, Muslim Hands France would donate another 100,000 euros to the flood victims in Pakistan. The event was attended by a large number of Pakistanis, entrepreneurs, politicians, representatives of local administration, and the Embassy of Pakistan. The level of zeal could be gauged by the fact that the participants started collecting donations well before the formal event. Patron Business Forum France, Mohammed Ibrahim Dar, donated 10,000 euros. Chairman Business Forum France, organizer and host Sardar Zahoor Iqbal collected over 16,000 euros from his family and friends. President Business Forum France, Haji Muhammad Aslam Chaudhry, too mustered over 13,000 euros up from the near and dear ones. Shahida Ahmed also donated thousands of euros. Conspicuous among others, there were Mayor and Deputy Mayor of Bobini City, Deputy Head of Mission Madam Khadifah Khanum from Pakistan Embassy, Press Consul Daniyal Gilani, and Head Consul Ehsan Karim.